Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Next, find Network Adapter and expand the list. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter. Now, right-click it and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows find one, it will install it for you. If that doesn't work, you'll need to download the driver manually. Take note of your adapter name or your motherboard laptop model. Now, open the browser on the other device if needed and search for the official driver from the manufacturer's website. Download the Wi-Fi or LAN driver. Once downloaded, transfer it to your PC if needed. Then extract the file if it's zipped. After that, run the installer and follow the setup steps to install the driver. And after that, restart your PC and your Wi-Fi should be working again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.